Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is GO19 Assess Chapter 1 Grader 1E Assignment Computer Club 1.0. Before starting this assignment, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will provide full solution for you. I am professional and I can also do all the other courses of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, and many more. I will charge you reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Your good grades are just a click away from you. So here, first of all, we will look at the project description. In this project, you will create a database object to track the inventory of new computer parts used by the computer club. You will create a table and import data from Excel to create a second table. You will create a simple query, a form, a report. So this all we are going to do, but before starting this assignment, let me show you how this assignment is consist of 4 files. One is instruction file, one is exercise file, and 2 are the Excel files that will be used in this assignment. So this assignment is consist of almost 15 points. I have done this assignment for many of my students, and here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then just contact me on my WhatsApp, my Instagram, my Facebook, or my email, wherever you feel comfortable. It is saying beginning in the second column of the inventory table and use the specific data types, create the following fields: part short text, room short text, cabinet location short text, vendor ID short text, price, currency, quantity in stock. So here it is saying beginning in this inventory table. So here this is inventory table. As I will double click on it, it says ID new. Here we can add data, and here we can create many fields as much as we like. So here it is saying that the first field should be part. So here I am going to copy this, and here as I click, it is saying click to add. So here I will click. It should be short text, and here you can type or you can simply paste it here. So new field part is added. So next we will move to the other field, that is room. So here I will just copy the room, and next here I will select click here to add short text, and here I am just going to Ctrl V, or you can simply just click paste. So this field has also been added. And next field is short text. So here I will click here to add short text, and its name should be cabinet location. For convenience, I am just copying paste, and if you want, you can just type it or whatever you feel comfortable, and here I am just going to write it. And next one is short text also, and it is vendor ID. So here I will click on it, short text, and it should be vendor ID. Let me select it. First I will select, then copy, and here you can just click here paste. So this is added. Next is currency, and it is price. So here I will click here to add. I will select currency, and it should be price. So I am going to copy this price, and here I will just click paste. So this is added. And next one is number and quantity in stock. So here I will select number, and here let me add this quantity in stock. Let me select this. So it has been selected. So here I am just going to paste it. So these fields have been added. So we have done point number 2. Point number 2 is worth of 12 marks. Next we will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying change the data type of ID field to short text, and rename the ID field to part ID, and then save the table. So here this should be ID, it should be part ID. For this you will go to, as you will click on ID, you will go to table field. Here is the table field, and then here you will select name and caption. So what it should be name? Name should be part ID. So here you can just copy it, and here I am going to select it and then Ctrl V, or you can paste it, and it should be not auto number, it should be short text. So all the changes that are needed to be done have been done in first two steps. Next is the step 4. But before starting step 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, I will solve this as complete assignment for you and provide good grades for you. All the grades will be 90% or 90 or 100% or 95% plus. So it is saying add the following 3 records to the inventory table. So first we have defined the field names. Next here we are going to add the records. These are the 3 records. For convenience and for quickness, I am just going to copy and then paste it. So it is saying part ID is V01. So here I am going to copy it, and here in the part ID column I will just click Ctrl V. So this has been added. Next is part is monitor with speaker. So here I am going to copy it part, and here I am pasting it. And next is room is SE110. So I am just going to copy it, or simply I am pressing Ctrl C, or you can just right click on it and select copy, and here you can, on the home tab, you can click paste. Next is cabinet location, cabinet A, shelf 3. So here I am just going to copy it, and here cabinet location we are going to paste it. Next is the vendor ID. Vendor ID is V015. So here I am just going to paste it. And next is the price is 199.99. so here I am just going to copy it and here paste. And next is the quantity in stock. Quantity in stock is 3. So here I am just going to copy it, and here I will just select this 0 and select paste, or you can manually type it. For me it is convenient to just do copy and paste. So as you can feel comfortable, you can just manually type it, or you can just paste it. Next is the part second record. Part ID as is S01. I am just going to copy it, and here I am going to paste it. Next is the part is the sound card. I am just going to copy it, and here I am going to paste it. Next is the room is SE110. I'm going to copy it, and here I am going to paste it. Next is the cabinet location. It is saying drawer A. I am just going to copy it, and here I will paste it. And next is the vendor ID. Vendor ID is V002. So here I am just going to copy, and here I will just paste it. Next is the price is 24.99. so here I am just going to copy it, and here I will paste it. And next is last one, quantity in stock. It is 10. So here I am just going to copy it, and here I will just simply paste it. So 2 records have been added. Next we are going to add the third record. Third record is P01. P stands for power supply. So here, like the first 2 ones, here are these. I am just going to copy these records, paste. Next is the room ID. Room ID is SE110. I am just going to paste it. And next is the cabinet location. It is saying drawer C. So I am just going to copy it, and here I am just going to paste it. And next is the vendor ID. Vendor ID is V010. I am just going to copy it, and here I will paste it. And next is price is 189.99. I am just going to copy it, and here I will paste it, and then at the end quantity in stock it is 2. So here I will just paste it. So these 3 records have been added. So if there is need of next record, it can be append from the records Excel file. So here I am just going to right click here, save, and then close it. Next we have, it is saying in point number 5, it is saying append the records from the downloaded Excel file A01E parts inventory to the inventory table and open the table in datasheet view. So here I will just select this, go to database tool, external data. Here we will select new data source from file. Here, as we have to import from Excel file, so I will select Excel file. Next you have to locate where your files have been. So as I have placed them in E folder, so here I am going to solve. As you can see, all I have solutions. So I will select A01E, and we have to append a copy to the record inventory tables. I will click OK, next, and finish. Next it is saying open in datasheet view, so I will just double click on it. As you can see, there are 13 records here. You can see count here, 13 records. So here I will just click save, and I will close the table. Next is step number 6. So before starting step number 6, I am professional. If you want me to do this complete course or do this complete assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next it is saying switch to design view and delete the room field. So here I will just double click on it. It's in datasheet view. So here I will just right click on it and select design view. So it is in design view, and it is saying delete the room field. So this is room field, and I am going to select delete field. I will just delete it. You don't need to do anything else. And it is saying for part field enter a description. So here I am just going to, like before I am doing, I am just going to copy it, and here where we have to put it in part field. So there, parts field description, here we will select paste. Make sure there is no extra space. Enter the computer components names. Next it is change the field size to 50. So here part, as you can see, field size is 250, so we have to change 50. So minimum characters here we can enter is 50, no more than 50. And next it is saying for part ID change the field size to 4. So here part ID we have to change it to 4. So maximum 4 characters we can enter. And next it is saying save the table. So here I will just right click on it and click save and click yes. So this has been saved. Next is point number 7. In point number 7 it is saying switch to datasheet view, apply best fit to all the fields and save the tables, and then close the table. So here I will just right click on it and click datasheet view. Here I will click at the top here. As you can see, all have been selected. So here on the home tab I will go to records, more, field width, and I will select best fit. So this has been best fit now. So we have completed step number 7. Next is the step number 8. But before starting step number 8, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying import the records from downloaded Excel files AE vendors into the database as table name vendors, and designate the first row as column heading and vendor ID as primary key, vendor ID in datasheet view. So here we have to import other one. So here we will go to external data, new source, Excel file, and make sure you will select import the source data into a new table in the current. Here I will select pros AE10 vendors, click OK. Next we will click OK. So we have to select first row contains column heading. As you can see, first row contains column heading. Next, don't do anything, don't change anything here. We will click next, and next we will select choose my own primary key, and here make sure vendor ID is there. We will select next. Here we have to insert a name, so here we will select copy vendors, and here we will select paste and click finish. So next we have just double click on it. As you can see, there are 15 records here. So this has been done. So I have completed 8 steps for you. Next, this assignment is consist of 15 points. If you want me to do this complete assignment or complete course for you at a reasonable price, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will provide good grades for you. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.